Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. Brett Young, Let's Go Too Soon. Yeah, don't do that mistake. We have a great song here from Brett Young, and we'll start with the capo here on the 3rd fret to match up with the sound, have easy chords possible. So that's the reason for capo on 3rd. Now let's take a look at the chords. So we have this main chord progression: C, G, E minor, and D. Beautiful 4 combo there. Starting with C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G. So G is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D as well. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have a final chord here for the bridge part, and that is the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so the verse play here is just to pick 2 notes together like this. It's based upon the C, G, E minor, and D in that order. So we'll just pick here for the verse here to begin with. So for C, you're gonna pick this. That is 3rd on A together with open E. These 2 notes, okay? Pick them together. Sounds like that. Then we have the G. You pick now the 3rd fret on the E string in the bass together with open B. That's it for G. Then we have 2 options here for the last 2 chords, the E minor and D. If we start with the E minor, you could play this first version. That is the open E string in the bass together with open B. Or you can play, that is the open E string still in the bass, but now together with the 3rd fret E string top string. Okay, so this last version here is more often played here in the song. I believe the first version is played in the intro, in the interlude or so, perhaps even later sometimes, but yeah. This version is the most played here for the song. That's the E minor, and then we have the same scenario here for the last D chord here, 2 versions. The first one is this. So that is open D string together with 2nd G. It's played in intro again, perhaps later, but the more common version is this one. So that is the open D string together with 2nd E. So there you have the verse play. So if I go with the most common playing here, it will go like this. That, okay, and that's the rhythm also on tempo. So there you have the verse play. Now let's take a look at the chorus. We have the same chord progression there, C, G, E minor, and D. Now we do that with a strumming pattern. So if you grab the C chord, 1 strumming around will be down, 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 up. Very common one. So sounds like this. So I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and then the last down, down, up more on the mid top strings, like this. So down, 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 up. Like that, all right? So you're gonna play 1 string around per chord in the same chord progression. So C, G, E minor, and D sounds like this. right? Then at 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song, we have the bridge parts, which I mentioned. We also have the A minor chord there. And you will continue the same strumming here, that down, 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 up. You're gonna do one strumming round per chord, and now the chord progression will be A minor, E minor, G, and D. So A minor, E minor, G, and D, you play that for 2 rounds, all right? On the last second round, on the last chord, the D, you just play 1 down, okay? So 1 down and the pause, and then you go back again to play the chorus play. So A minor, E minor, G, D, 1 strumming round per chord. The 2 rounds of this, the full bridge sounds like this. And then chorus. Alright guys, so Britt Young, Let's Go Too Soon. I hope I didn't do that with you guys. I think I got the full tutorial here for the song, all parts needed to handle the song. So thank you for watching guys, thank you for your support. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, if you haven't yet, please feel free to do that. I love to see this channel grow. So yeah, till next time, play tuned.